Just got a super cool package from the Fighting Lockpicker. Look at this. Looks like an ordinary Sharpie. Huh? Just a marker? Think again. It pops off. And then, inside of here is a secret stash. Let's see if I can get it all out. Picks. I'm a sucker for secret covert tools and things. This is right up my alley. He had shown a video with this and I jokingly told him to send it to me, and he actually did. It was very kind of him. This is from the Fighting Lockpicker. Everyone check out his channel. And then a little tensioner. And then you just bunch them up, put it in there. Sometimes you gotta rearrange it a little bit. So they sit in there a little lower. Let's see here. I had it before. I'll put the long ones in first. Whatever it is, it keeps binding up inside of here. Hopefully I can have a little sticking out. It's a really snug, tight fit. Get that guy in there. Put the marker on. I put it on loosely because I had to use pliers to pull it off the first time. And it even writes, as you can see here on my finger, still writes a little bit. Can use a little moisture. This is super cool. Everyone check out the Fighting Lockpicker.